Here we are again. And a warm welcome to one and all. And here we are at ridiculous o'clock in the morning. It's just turned 6. About to switch the screens on and continue this vlog of Morningstar. So let me flick this on. So what is Morningstar? Well, if you haven't been here before, it's basically trading between 6 AM and 8 AM before you go to work. And the idea is to build up a small nest egg from a small account. So you saw me put £350 into an account. And the idea is just to grind away and make some money. And hopefully you'll have a little bit come the end of it. Now, we're coming in now, and it's actually okay to sort of enter. Now, we're just small at the moment. 50p a position. And today is quite a reasonable trade. It's not that difficult. There's been some heavy selling yesterday. Started well. If I just pull this back slightly, you can see it just went thump. Tried to push up, but through the night it has been selling off. But it seems this level is pretty solid of sorts. You know, it's tried and it's come back to it. So this morning is a relatively simple trade, just retracing back up. Okay, so I'm just looking for about 10 pips. If I can do that, I'll be reasonably happy. And that's it, really. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enjoy my coffee because I am absolutely knackered. And we'll see what happens at the end of it. Well, boys and girls, been a long old morning today. Took its time, but it's come in and it's hit the level that I marked. And if you look down here, it actually tagged to the pip on that level. So levels is king, always. All right, and if you can learn how to put these levels in correctly, you're halfway there. So what have we done? Well, £8.20. So quite happy with that. Let's have a look, see what we can do with the sheet. So this morning, we just went in once. We were 354.45. You have no option but to take risk on with a small account. Because bid size starts at 50p. You've got to let it breathe. All right. So that's where we were. What did I say that was? £8.20. It's a similar situation this morning. I was just looking for a push up to the upside. I'm still knackered. I'm not as bad as I was yesterday, but it's still pretty rough. But it means tomorrow, because I've broken the 10 pips for the day, we can edge up slightly. So again, we've done quite well. We put 2% onto the balance today. So it's moving every day, and that's what we're looking for. These little movements each time, and it just builds up. And it doesn't sound much, but if I left that in a bank, I've already done 3 times more than the bank will do in an entire year in 2 days. That's what trading is, guys. So it's just being careful with your trades and methodical. And if you can do that, you'll survive. The whole process of what I do is based around just growth every day. If you go through the videos, you'll see certain ways that I look at things, because I'm not a big believer in all of this gambling mentality. I think you have to plan it like a business, and it's kind of why I call risks investment, because I'm investing that amount of money to make X amount of money. And that's kind of the way I look at things. It also helps with the psyche as well, because when you say a risk and all of this, you're sort of inferring a frightened situation. You know, nobody wants to risk anything, but you're happy to invest something. So maybe the terminology is wrong. I don't know. I welcome your thoughts. Drop it in the comments, see what you think. I know in this world of being inclusive and everything, I don't get any of that. But I do think sometimes terminology can have an effect on your mind state. And it's your mind state that'll get you through this. So if you ever hear me talking of investment, I'm referring to the amount of money I put on the line to make X amount of money. So I hope that makes sense. We've done our little target today, so I'm quite happy. Do it again tomorrow and the day after and the day after, and we'll build this up. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, and above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.